Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the third position we have grid lines option. So as you can see, when we tap on it we can turn on 3 and 3 grid lines and the square one. So let me start with 3 and 3. When we move back to the camera, now we have these lines in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. Let's move back to left corner settings, slide down to useful features and pick the grid lines to turn on the square one. So for now we have this type of lines in the preview. And of course remember that all of them are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to left corner button, slide down to useful features, tap to grid lines and pick the other ones or just turn them off. So for now the grid lines have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.